Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video, if you're looking for how you can use ChatGPT to solve your math questions, you've come to the right video. So at first go to Google and search for ChatGPT and click on this first one which says OpenAI and then click on Try ChatGPT. Now this kind of web page will load. All you have to do is to solve this math problem and then just paste your problem and then hit enter. Now ChatGPT is going to take some time. It may depend on your net connection or on your traffic, but after it's done, this is going to literally generate your answer for you, and you can see the step-by-step process. And this is how you can use ChatGPT to solve any math problem. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.